Welcome back everybody to another episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine do battle with Mother Nature down here at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats getting the images. Let's get this episode started. Our first boater to do battle with Haulover this week is going to show us what it's like when you come running through Haulover coming in hot. Here this scarab is coming in throttles down. These guys are not caring about anything and running it hard. This really is impressive. Haulover is actually pretty gnarly today, and for these guys to be running this hard in this size boat is pretty impressive. Usually when I see somebody come through like this, it's in a much larger boat. This round definitely goes to the boats. Our second boater to do battle with Haulover is one of those ones that makes you scratch your head and wonder what in the world they were thinking. Now don't get me wrong, I really do know what they were thinking. They thought, we're going to go out of Haulover, have a good time. Put these guys in the bow of the boat. They'll have fun. And sure, to some this looks like a good time, and I don't care if you're an adult and you want to go out there and put yourself in danger in the bow of the boat running through Haulover on a rough day, but don't put these little kids. Watch this guy in the blue shirt. He is hanging on with a death grip to a child right now. And the really tough part of these situations is there's not much this captain can do. Once you've committed to Haulover on a rough day in a boat this size, you're gonna have to run it. So no matter what, even if one of these kids fell onto the deck of the boat, there's not much this captain can do, because if he slows down, he significantly increases his chances of taking some waves over the bow and swamping this vessel. These guys are taking a pretty good pounding though. Everybody's soaked. Maybe they had a good time, maybe they didn't, but no matter what, they're definitely taking the loss in this round, and Haulover gets the win. Our next contestant is going to show us what it's like when you come through Haulover and absolutely destroy Haulover. Here you're going to see this Midnight Express hauling tail through Haulover, but this happens as well. That absolutely has to be one of the loudest hull slaps I've ever heard here at Haulover, but still, we're going to go ahead and give the boat the win in this round because he really did come through hauling tail and destroying Haulover. Our next boater is going to show us what it's like when you show up at Haulover with all the tools needed for success, yet for some reason you decide you're just not even going to play the game, kind of like this Everglades is going to do here. This massive Everglades with quad motors could absolutely do some damage to Haulover if it wanted to, but you know what? Instead, we're going to lollygag, we're going to take a couple waves over the bow, and just kind of hang out and not have a good time. Come on, man, don't come to the dance unless you're ready to party. I'm giving this round to Haulover. This is going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece, where we're going to see a deep impact come rolling through Haulover. Once again, this is a big day, and they're coming to Splash Town early, but let's see how they finish out. Can they get through Haulover unscathed and take a win home for the boats? These guys actually look pretty darn good. They're coming through at a really solid pace for this vessel for it being such a rough day. Until you see this little flats boat just caught up with them. I'm not sure how to rate this one, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Who do you think won this episode? Was it the boats or was it Haulover Inlet? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great images down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And our newest channel, Miami Boat Ramps. Be sure to go over there and check that one out if you're up for all the fun and comedy that happens down at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button here.
Mm-hmm.